Gently pull it through, and then you will use your fingers to curve the floss around the tooth, following the shape of the tooth. Do not make the mistake of flossing just up and down. You need to curve the floss and then gently ease it down into the gum. There's a small little pocket space that you can easily allow the gum to go into. Then to the other side, and gently up and down just to where that gum pocket starts a few times. Once you're done with that and your teeth allow, you can gently bring it to the front. You can clean the wire and around the bracket.